This is the area where we're going to do. I just removed these pavers, the edge. That's the one it was sinking. Then we are removing it and we are putting back. We are going to do retaining wall, 10-inch deep, and then going all the way to the planter, the concrete one. Putting back. This is the soft where it's going to be. It is 25 by 31. And it's gonna be a border, metal border right there. Then they are finishing the irrigation, and tomorrow we are going to get done the pavers. And that little wall drainage is going to be concentrated instead of be at the edge of that was part of this pool. Then we are going to put it on the center, 1 and 2 lines. Okay, bye.